When you're designing a new product, what's the first step you take?
Yeah, so the first step is really understanding the people that you're targeting and what are their goals, because this can really help anchor the entire design and the problem space of what you're going after. And for us, we really discovered that we wanted to cater towards a developer audience and make monitoring really accessible, and craft a great experience around that.
When you're designing a new product, there's obviously a split between what the user wants and the user doesn't always know what they want. So there's some vision component.
Yeah.
Can you talk about the split between what the user wants and your sort of product vision?
So I think it's really critical to understand the root needs of a user. And the user may not even understand what they need. I love this Henry Ford quote where he said, if I asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses. And what they really wanted was faster transportation to get from point A to point B. And so it takes out of the box thinking to kind of solve that problem. So once you have empathy with users, you can kind of understand their root problems and find common threads between what different users have, and then start to create an innovative solution.
Take me through your design methodology.
All right, so the first part is to have empathy and listen to users. And the second part is to create a hypothesis of what their root problem is. And you might not even be right on the first take. It can take some iterations to figure that out. And then explore how you might solve that problem. So I love this phrase, how might we? So once you've defined the hypothesis of whatever it is to solve, then you can use how might we solve this particular problem and start ideating, create as many solutions as possible using wireframing, FigJam, thinking unconventionally, and then prototype, launch it, see where things break down, how it actually collides with the real world, where people get stuck, and learn from that and make improvements.
Tell me a little bit about Alerty specifically. How did you think about designing it?
So after the research was kind of done and we got an understanding of our user a little bit more, we discovered there was an opportunity in the market to serve smaller teams. And a lot of the existing monitoring tools out there, they really target more advanced use cases. And so we wanted to make a more approachable tool to help teams of all sizes be able to get monitoring in their stack.
So Chandler, what were the biggest challenges when you were designing Alerty?
Yeah, so I'd say there's two.